Most websites treat business hours as an afterthought, but for your clients, it's a critical conversion point. Today, we're moving beyond plain text to create a high-end structure availability section that matches a premium brand identity. Before we dive in, here's the best part. You only need the free version of Elementor and the free version of ElementsKit to follow this tutorial. No pro licenses are required for this. Navigate to the ElementsKit dashboard and then search for the business hour widget and make sure that it is toggled on. You know, time is money. ElementsKit comes with professionally designed presets. Simply browse the library. For this, found a layout that matches your brand identity. So I'm searching for business hours here. So here we can see an option. Now we just have to insert it, and it's the fastest way to achieve a polished look. So for this, we can see that it is a page appearing with business hour. In the content tab, we can see that we have the total control, so we can update the hours and days effortlessly. So you can also highlight specific days and icons also. And yeah, so for that, in the day, we can see that it's written Sunday here. And if you want to change the label, you can change it from here. And the time is written close. And the day color is in the red shade, so you can change the day color and time color into red to any other color. As these are holidays, so I'm keeping them in the red shade. So after that, you also can change the background, but I think it looks like this better. After that, we have the day Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday. You can change every day and time like this. So if we go to the Tuesday option, we can see that the time is written 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you want to customize this, you can customize it from here. Like if I want to keep it in the 6, so I'm setting it into 6 p.m. See? And the time has changed from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. for Tuesday. So you can also change the other days, the setting like that. If you want to add any item, extra item, you also can add from here. So as I'm talking about the days, we just have 7 days in the week, so I'm not adding any item, but if you want, you can. Well, after that, we have the option called Style tab. If you come to this tab, this is basically where the UI UX magic happens. We'll refine the width and padding for proper breathing room. Use typography to establish hierarchy. And don't forget the border radius and subtle box shadows to give the widget depth. Here you can change the margins, see, and then you can also change the padding from here also. Then we have option called background type, and which is set in the gradient option. Then we have the location and border type, border widths as well. If you want, you can change them. Then we have the day option. In the day option, you can change the color, typography, background type, as I have discussed it before. In the time, all the settings are the same, so you can change them as per your need. We have an option called advanced settings. If you want to look your website very unique and aesthetic, you can change the advanced settings from here. So you can see there are a lot of options. Just do it the way you want. You can customize it in your way. While templates are great, building from scratch is just as easy. So for this, you just have to search in the widget bar for business hour with the EKIT badge, and you just have to drag and drop. Nothing without responsiveness. So briefly check your mobile view. See, it looks perfect here. Adjust the padding and the text alignment to ensure your hours are legible on every device. There are another option which is tablet portrait, and it looks here perfect also. And now in the desktop option, high-end results with zero cost. That's the power of ElementsKit. If this workflow helped your design process, hit that subscribe button. Now go build something incredible.